How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another quick tutorial brought to you in part by the Dean Rojas Foundation. So before I start this video, I want to be transparent with you all. I have two jobs. I am a full-time student. I have a lot on my plate. Where's Dean Ben? Where's he been? He's been busy. It's real life. This is life, you know? But we're here right now and we're making this video because I love you guys. And this is what I do. This is what we do together. So you might notice I got some art up on the walls. I hung some stuff. I literally did this today. And I'm pretty freaking happy about it. I ain't even gonna lie about it. I am not even gonna lie about it. I'll tell you that right now. All right, cut the crap. Let's get into it. So today we're gonna be talking about vertical video and how we're gonna post them to Instagram. So there are two ways to do this. One is gonna be from a square video, which is just a 1080 by 1080 box. Or there's gonna be the vertical way, which I'm gonna show you how to do right now. So you're gonna hop into Premiere Pro, and the first thing you're gonna wanna do is create a project, and then you're gonna create a sequence. So your sequence settings to have the horizontal video is gonna be 962 by 1199. Yeah, it's super crazy weird. It's not gonna feel comfortable. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. It's not a comfortable thing, but we're gonna have to move on with our lives because that's how we do things. All right, so I'm just gonna make a project real quick. Okay, I'm gonna call this Vert Video Insta. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna notice is this box that just hit keep existing settings. And then you're also gonna see that your video is cropped a little bit. So click on it, and this is what it's gonna look like normally. So this is your normal 19 by 20 video. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna scale it to 111 if you're shooting in 1920 by 1080. That seems to be the magic number for me that I've been using. And then with this, you can adjust the position left and right as much as possible because it is still this horizontal video, but you're just punching in, and then you can like scroll left and right and all sorts of goodies like that. If you have a bunch of action going on in the left of your frame, then you could just crop it over to the left side, or if it's on the right side. If I'm shooting and I know it's for Instagram, I normally will center my compositions. All right, so we throw in this LUT. Now it's time to export this guy right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have the format H.264, which is your basic compressed format, and you're gonna wanna have the preset of match source high bitrate. And what that's gonna do is just match the source that you chose. So that's gonna be the 962 by 1198. And we're exporting in H.264 because Instagram is gonna, compress it already. So there's no real need of getting this high resolution format for Instagram. So I'll just put these videos into a folder, and then I'll airdrop it straight to my iPhone, so it still saves the quality. This is if you're on Mac and iPhone. If not, you can email it to yourself, or however else you get it onto your phone. You probably have a way if you're already watching this video. And then what I like to do, so then if you go over to Instagram, and then you pull up the video, so then if you go over to Instagram and you go to upload, you can see there's two options. There's a square format, and if you click this button right here, then you have your vertical video version. And there's actually a pretty big difference because that's gonna appear a lot different on people's newsfeed than a square video. And it's normally not what they're seeing on their newsfeed, so they might even have a better chance of stopping watching it. So the biggest takeaway here is that video format, 962 by 1199. Just remember that, and then edit your videos to that. Really simple, very quick tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. I hope that you all have a wonderful day and keep killing it.